Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. La sibona ama-players awu-4 bafowethu e-Kaizer Chiefs aspenda isikhathi off the field nama-families wabo. Into e-important kakhulu bafowethu because they have to build a brotherhood off the field, then ba-understand-ane kube naleyo nto leyo ukuthi bayi-family. So what a better way than ukuthi baspende isikhathi nama-families wabo, whether i-dinner, i-laughter, touring, going somewhere like kuboma-park, izinto ezinjalo. So kuyasiza ngempela. Lana sibona uPeterson, noMcCarthy, noNgcobo, noFrosler, ama-4 stars lawo e-Kaizer Chiefs-ke nama-families wabo. Kubonakala ngathi lana uMcCarthy uyohamba yedwa, abanye bahamba nabantu babo plus nama-family members amanye, but umfana omncane lo asim-expect ukuthi naye abe nomndeni wakhe. If unawo umndeni wakho omncane fine, but-ke umuntu okumele afocusele ebholeni kakhulu okwamanje. So uPeterson-ke siyazi ukuthi-ke uyi-last man of i-backline laphana e-Kaizer Chiefs, u-goalkeeper, uyabagayida on and off the field. Uyambona ukuthi ngempela uyi-leader laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs and super vocal emuva, so ubaluleke kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs in terms of ukuthi abaphushe. This season nje u-number 1, but-ke akusiyo lokhunjani u-goalkeeper nje kuphela laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu, uyilokhunjani. Uphinde abe ubaba off the field, abe yi-husband, so kusho ukuthi nje uyakwazi ukuleader even nasefamilini yakhe. So I mean off the field spending isikhathi nama-teammates wakhe bafowethu, I mean kuma-family gatherings or kuma-different sessions, very important for yena. I think ukubuilda leyo bond leyo nanokuthi-ke ney'ngane nazi ziyajoyina laphana overall bafowethu, so which is very important. uMcCarthy-ke yena siyazi ukuthi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs i-player, in fact, a new generation, ubridge a new generation, the older generation laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I-centre back, he left centre back bafethu already has made his mark laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi uzoba important nanokuthi u-fearless, uzokwazi ngempela ukubasiza laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs a-contribute going forward. I mean, what is a better way than ukuthi afunde kwabanye abantu around abama-senior players laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Nangu nolokhunjana Nkosi Ngiphile Ngcobo naye uhamba nengane yakhe nomuntu wakhe. NoNgcobo-ke naye I think it's a better way, it's a big way for umshini ukuthi akwazi uku-interact nama-teammates wakhe, because if they were to build something formidable, into strong laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, akumele bakwazi ukuphila kanje, bakuphile njengefamily. Then okugcina-ke laphana bafethu Frosler, yes, udlala-ke i-right back, uyi-connect in a way, but uyakwazi nokudlala i-left back, uyakwazi nokudlala laphana ku-midfield, uyakwazi nokukora given an opportunity nokushaya from there, une-range elihle. So uba i-glue in a way, like in terms of i-brotherhood, into ebaluleke kakhulu bafethu. Siyamazi ukuthi i-professionalism yakho uFrosler isikhathi esiningi, ukhamu, it's never too loud, at the same time akukho too quiet, i-balance nje overall mawumbheka. Right back e-Kaizer Chiefs ekunika leyo assurance leyo, but kumele a-improve kuphi, ekumakeni bafowethu, hhayi ekumakeni is easily exposed. So I mean le togetherness yabo iyabonisa ngempela ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ibuilda something beyond ibhola. Isikhathi esiningi kumele baspende isikhathi as ama-player, babonise i-unity, not just nje technically, but-ke emotionally kumele babe in sync, babe connected. So ama-families, when the families come together for ukuthi bahlale outside the stadium, leyo nto leyo i-create i-support structure, kungabi nama-rival within i-team, because of ama-teams bafethu amaningi a-divided, even ne-Kaizer Chiefs nayo i-divided. O-Orlando Pirates ba-divided that, kunamaqembu ngamaqembu within i-team ukuthi usibanibani umngane kabanibani, usibanibani, yenzeka kuwo wonke ama-team, but-ke u-Kaizer Chiefs ngathi bazama ukuyi-instill-a leyo culture leyo ukuthi bazwane nje overall bafowethu outside laphana ey'tediyamu, kube ne-structure, support structure. Kaizer Chiefs siyazi ukuthi-ke iba frustrated by ukugeja kwabo laphana final third, but guess what, they have to stay together, bakwazi ukuba wobhuti laphana, ukuba i-team. Ama-fans if ayabona izinto ezinjena, I mean i-energy, ama-smiles, I mean i-energy i-move different because of baba in sync njengoba bengishilo overall. I-unity ibaluleke kakhulu bafethu kuma-locker room, even if ba-hosta ama-braai, ba-hosta ini, but-ke iqala kuma-personal lives wabo, ukwazi ukuthi okay, you treat this thing not just as umsebenzi nje kuphela, but as into e-connecta wonke umuntu okhona laphana ethimini yaku-Kaizer Chiefs. So they have to continue baphile kanjena bafethu, in order ukuthi i-team i-benefit overall. Abafana be-Kaizer Chiefs, it's very important. Omunye singathanda ukuthi congratulations kuye uSolomons, ubani umfazi wakhe u-expecta ingane, yeah, soon to be a father again. Is it again or so? Yeah. u-pregnant umfazi wakhe bafowethu, uSolomons ushere ilokhunjana isithombe laphana online. Simfisela inhlanhla ukuthi simfisela okuhle kuphela nje, ukuthi kube ile ngane efuna in terms of i-gender ukuthi umfana noma intombazane le ayifisayo kube yiyo, but-ke izinto phela azihambi ngomuntu bafowethu. Yeah. I mean, so far so good in terms of like bayajela. No-Gaston Sereno sinokumbona ba-hosta abafana laphana aba-different. Sibonile kusho ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs bebanike i-break because uvele bayibelene eCape Town ingcebeleka khona. uBatman izolo ubonakale laphana e-airport ebuye eJoburg, kusho ukuthi naye he was away epholela umfana ezama ngempela ukurekhupha. uMduduzi Shabalala, it seems like uyiplayer elisebenzayo at the moment laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu. Why? Because ulaphana ekhempini kuBafana Bafana kudlalwa. But-ke le nto leyo ukuthi abanye abantu ba-relax-ile yena ubhizi ekhempini, I think izomenza ukuthi abe strong umfana, abe powerful in fact, ukuthi akwazi ukuthi okay, as much as abanye abantu baphumule, mina ngibhizi la ekhempini, kumele ayithathe serious ikhempe eBafana Bafana. Azokwazi ukubhenefitha i-team kakhulu ama-game meweza kakhulu. Imagine if i-Kaizer Chiefs iyawina i-next game yabo le abadlala neSimba, bazodinga abantu abafokhase ebholeni more than ama-outside life wabo because of bazotravela kakhulu. Omunye umuntu engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo, umfana omncane bafowethu, uKabelo Ngwesa, udlala nebhandishi isikhathi esiningi la esandleni sakhe sesinxele. Uthi RIP dad, kusho ukuthi nje ubabakhe laphana ngathi wadlula emhlabeni ngeyi-15 September or so, lapho nje noma bengcwatshwa lapho. But yeah, umfana recover abe right mentally. Akukho lula ukuluza umzali, especially at this young age. Umfana uyaqala ukukhuphuka laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, bayampromota, the next thing ubabakhe akasekho emhlabeni. Yeah, akusiy'ndaba ezimnandi lezo eze-right, but-ke impilo bafethu, impilo iya-unpredictable, you never know ukuthi kuzokwenzekalani ngempela. Yeah, arekhave abe sespacini esi-right, athole i-support umfana ayidingayo, ukuthi nje zonke izinto zibe right. Igataro eKaizer Chiefs bafethu, naye kushaya ama-photoshoot weKaizer Chiefs we-Betway Premiership. He is ready to compete, he is ready to go bafethu, anything goes. Naye u-ready ukuthi ayisize iKaizer Chiefs. What I like about him, inkani yakhe, unenkani lo muntu lo, mentally is strong, uyafit, ufit i-bill kahle, perfect yokudlalela iKaizer Chiefs, because you gotta have a strong mentally, you gotta be strong bafethu in order to represent iKaizer Chiefs. If you're not that strong, then kuzoba nzima ukuthi urepresent iKaizer Chiefs. Mentally, you gotta be fit, you gotta be willing to fight, to give everything for the team. But-ke if awunayo leyo nto leyo ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ngeke usurvive overall. But unayo igataro ukuthi akwazi ukuthi abe yi-success ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Simfisela inhlanhla ukuthi zonke izinto zakhe zimhambele kahle umfana. We can't wait to see him ukuthi uzo-edani laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Thank you bafethu. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, esimaking sure ukuthi le page lifika ku-15,000 subscribers. Thank you bafethu.